What is going on, Laser Focus Solutions Media? This is Chris Godwin, your host, coming at you on a Tuesday, August 13th, and today is Beard Day. That's right, we trim the beard every Tuesday because it needs it. So I feel good. Just got done a walk, a little early for the walk. Me and the fiance decided to get it in because we're both tired. So let's get through this day of what we did in life of a home repair handyman guy at Laser Focus Solutions. So started off the morning, returned to the client's house where we were patching 3 holes. The mud was not dry in 2 of the 3 patches. So what we got to do there is just give it time, right? So moved on to the next task, which was the master bathroom shower. The task at hand was there was some mold around the caulking, and there was some potential moisture, getting outside of the shower itself. So we had to go and do a discovery phase and figure out what that looked like. So underneath the caulk was actually grout. So in the corners, there was grout around the entire shower surround. So went to Home Depot, bought a multi-tool adapter for removing grout, and we went to work. And so then what we did was we went over to Tile Market, our vendor of choice when it comes to Tile Market of Delaware, and we picked up some grout caulk. And it's preferred to use that over silicone in the corners, so that's what we use. So picked that up, returned, and continued to clean out the shower area and prep for caulking tomorrow. So the plan for today was to get that prepped and ready. We did that. We departed from that location, went back to our Saturday start job, which we returned to yesterday, and put a second coat on a 4x4 4-foot by 4-foot ceiling patch. This was a big one. So we went ahead and put a third skim coat on it, and we'll let that set. And then tomorrow we'll return, give it a final scuff down, change out a dryer vent on the exterior of the house, and that'll be a wrap on that job. And then tomorrow we're also going to go in the morning back to this client's job where we're doing the patchwork and the shower work. We're going to go ahead and apply the grout caulk that we have for the shower. And then, excuse me, my nose itches. And then we're going to go ahead and start sanding down the front door and the trim, scuff that down. And we're going to apply exterior paint to the front door and the trim. So all in all, this client has us doing about 5 or 6 different things and throughout the week. So we've been kind of dancing with that. Did talk to the client for the drywall job in Middletown in the community of Parkside. And we're going to be having the HVAC company and the electrician come out on Thursday to install the mini split unit and electrical outlets and switches and fire that up. And then next week, we're going to put in the LVP, and that'll be a wrap 100% for that job there. So that'll be closed out. But then at the same house, we also have a basketball net to install that I did on previous videos. So Friday of this week, I plan on getting the post hole digger, 11 bags of concrete, and I plan on digging and setting concrete. So that's the plan for Friday. So today's Tuesday. Yeah, so that's pretty much the rest of the week booked out. Thursday, even though I didn't discuss it just yet, I'll share now. Thursday, we are looking at going out and installing 2 grab bars in showers. Weirdly, strangely, oddly, whatever, enough, this client had them installed by somebody else. They weren't happy with the location of them, so they want us to remove them and relocate them. So this is going to be interesting. I let them know that obviously there's going to be holes in their tile, and I'm not sure, what I can do there, but they tell me they're not worried about the holes so much. They want to make sure this is a safety feature for them because they're not able to use the bar at its current location. So so that one's going to be a unique one. Like I said, I got to look into this and see. I mean, if they use the wingets, they're probably a 3/4 inch or a 1 inch hole saw hole. If they use lags into the studs, then we're talking, the size of a number 8 screw or something. So it really just depends on how I can make this watertight, right? And that's something I got to look into. And then once that's done, I plan on returning back to this job I've been talking about with the 3 patches, the shower and the front door, and just finaling that job out and getting that one wrapped up. I do have about 5 or 6 small jobs to do. I got to go back to a client's house, repeat customer, change a couple light bulbs and a running toilet. At one location in the same community, I have to clean a gutter. It's a 55 plus community in Glasgow, Delaware. And then I have another customer in Newark that wants their gutters cleaned as well. So, and there's a couple other things I feel like I'm forgetting, but I don't have my notes in front of me. So that's pretty much a wrap with that. Tomorrow I'm excited because I'll be using the new Festool that I purchased yesterday. I did not get a chance to use it today because we focused on the shower. So tomorrow I'll give more of a in-life review on that DTS 400 Festool sander. Super excited to get my hands on that thing and use it. We did use the Festool vacuum dust collection system and the 6.5-inch sander today, and it went very well. In our ceiling 4x4 patch job. So what I love most about that dust containment system is, it does a service for both us as owners and employees, and it does a service for clients as well in regards to just not making a mess all over their house. It's very impressive. It's extremely impressive, actually. So well worth the money. Very expensive unit, and I'm very happy that I was able to purchase it. So, with that, I want to keep this one short. I'm going to go ahead over here and hit the gym. I might do a few estimates on this side of the house here first, and then go over there and hit the gym. But want to thank everybody for watching the content, watching the videos, giving your feedback. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and have a great day. Peace out.